Are you frustrated to study Japanese and having low motivation to keep your studying? Today, I'm gonna share how you can improve your Japanese skills fast. Stay tuned. Hi, my name is Nick. I'm an online Japanese tutor. So, if you're tired to sticking at your desk to studying hard, stick with me because this video will get you out of there. So in this video, you're gonna learn number 1, improve your listening skill fast. Number 2, improve your speaking skill fast. From 3 to 5, I'm gonna explain on the next video, but number 3, improve your reading skill fast. Number 4, improve your writing skill fast. Number 5, what's common things between those? Alright, here we go. Number 1, improve your listening skill fast. Especially for the beginners, you hear Japanese is like someone is mumbling, or if you're intermediate or advanced levels, you sometimes understand wrongly or some parts are not making sense to you. So why things like this happens? Because you don't know the difference between real conversation and foreigner talk. When you talk to someone who doesn't speak your language, for example, if you're an English speaker and you speak to Japanese people who doesn't speak English, my name is Nick. What is your name? You try to pronounce clearly and a little bit slow. So if you have listened to podcasts or radio or TV shows, Japanese people speak quite differently on those platforms. Even if it's a talk show, they speak slightly different because they're making a show. But it's really natural and people normally don't notice the difference unless you copy how they speak. So if you want to improve your listening skill fast, I'd recommend to listen to the real conversation. But they speak fast, so if you're a beginner, I'd recommend to talk with native speakers and get used to listen what they say to you first. So when you try to listen in your native language, you probably try to catch word by word and phrase by phrase, but you don't listen to every single syllables, right? But when it comes to the new language, you try to listen every single syllable unconsciously. So find the rhythm how they speak is the key. In Japanese, try to listen phrase by phrase. It'll help you to listen smoother. Number 2, improve your speaking skill fast. Speaking is really difficult because you have to speak differently depending on what situation you are in, like speech, interview, phone calling, or conversations. But what's the common thing between those situations is share your message by words. But to verbalize your message, you have to pronounce specifically. What do I mean by specifically? So you can understand even if someone speaks with bad pronunciations, like I really like Japanese food, because you have listened to it so many times, right? So how you can actually understand that? I really like Japanese food. I really like Japanese food. Accent is different, but intonation is same. So here's the thing. You probably try to focus on the pronunciations, but it's difficult to pronounce that you haven't spoken in your life. So, speaking in similar intonation and correct the pronunciation later is the key. Alright guys, here's tips for improve your listening and speaking skill faster. And here's the question of the day. When do you take a breath while you're talking? Let me know from the comment section. And don't worry, I'm gonna explain the rest of the tips next week. So stay tuned. And remember, learning a new languages takes a lot of time to master it. So I'm here to make it short. Everybody learns differently, and I'm here to design and customize your own learning style individually to help you master the new language faster, which is you can achieve your dream goal faster. I'm here to help you. Alright, if this video was helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment if you got any questions about Japanese language, culture, history, and also video content requests. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. ありがとう。